That is really neat. Oh, I like the Eldorado Barrettes, 58. That's $25. Back to the Futures, 15. Oh gosh, got some wonderful. Gremlin, $22. AMT Pro Shop, 32 for 22. On the Tucker photo. Fiero, 35. Pinto Funny Car by Johan, 50. 70 Plymouth. I don't even have to read them off. Here you go. Oh, the Cougar 2, complete unbuilt, $50. Built and painted, a Ford LTD, 1970, four-door. Very unusual as a four-door. Really pretty cool. Ertl 55 Ford, two-door wagon. Wow. Nice. Buick. Oh, gosh. Oh, that's Franklin Mint. Really mashed up. I'm sorry, Cadillac. Not that great. $15. Mashed up. Yeah, trying to stay warm. Good luck. Fiat? Looks Fiat, or is that Peugeot? Nah, Peugeot 404 convertible. And of course, look at that Packard. Oh, beautiful. $6 on the dub. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I like the Fords with those are also Danbury. Those are $25 a piece. Whew. Mod Squad Merc. Oh, oh. Now that's funny. A Continental wagon customizing kit, $30 from AMT. That is neat. Mercury Comet, Cyclone, $30. 71 Ranger. Wow, 72 Chevy Transport. That's nice. $27. Highway Scenes. That's a 69 Ford Talladega with a die-cut diner diorama. $25 from Revell. There's Revell monogram. Mustang Helldrivers, $30, $50 on that. Catalina 27. Oh, cool. Fire Chief Blazer. Well, what else would a fire chief drive but a Blazer? A Pinto? Oh, wait a minute. No. Pacer. Hey, look at a fishbowl. Pacer X. Great stuff. Firebird Warlord, Gran Torino. Oh, okay, you bring back such great memories on this stuff. This is why we love cars. It also brings back, as well as being fun, 72 Hertz Oldsmobile Cutlass. Well, that's pretty supreme if you ask me. Little cheapo, 35, another Pinto for 70. Bear bait, a Chevette. Yeah. Dream Mod 65. Oh, I can't quite. There we go. Now I can pick those up nicely. Cool. Well, my hands are frozen, but this is worth it. This is worth it. Checking out these cool models. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars, northeastwheelsevents.com, southeastwheelsevents.com, ukwheelsevents.com. And remember, while you're there, post and promote your events. I'll see you at the shows, and don't forget, support your local. We're going to leave it right here with that Marlin. That is cool.